stage, my palms got sweaty, my heart started pounding very fast, I got lightheaded, and my eyes got tunnel vision. What's wrong with me, and what's the phenomenon that causes this? Have you ever wondered how humans received this fight or flight response? Well, to determine this, you have to go back thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of years back to our original distant ancestors. These may have been Homo erectus Neanderthals, what we colloquially know as cavemen. These cavemen lived in the natural environment, in caves, under trees, and they went out to hunt for animals or to gather berries or other things to eat. In these times, humans faced the imminent danger of having to face against predators, whether they were lions, tigers, bears, wolves, you get the deal. So, humans that were able to have a quick response when confronted with these predators were able to survive against these threats. Humans without this mutation were not able to, and were not able to survive and reproduce their own genes. This is the basic theory of evolution. So humans that were more successful at evading predators had this fight or flight response. And hence, as humans have progressed throughout the decades, centuries and eras, we have kept this fight or flight response, which has helped humans survive and thrive to be the prominent species today. So now we are going to get deep into the anatomy of the nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is one of the two main parts of the peripheral nervous system, which forms all the neurons and parts of the nervous system outside the main brain and spinal cord. The two divisions of this autonomic nervous system are the sympathetic and parasympathetic division. The sympathetic division deals with the fight or flight response, while the parasympathetic deals with rest and digest, such as breathing, digestion of food, and other functions. When free nerve endings or receptors on one's skin detect stimuli, whether through temperature, movement, or pressure, the change in the electrical voltage of the neuron which the free nerve ending is part of triggers a message to be sent to the spinal cord. From the spinal cord and ganglion near it, it is sent to the brain, mainly to the amygdala and hippocampus for the sympathetic fight or flight response, where it's processed and then sent back down through the brainstem and spinal cord to corresponding segments of the spinal cord. For example, the first cervical segment would deal with a particular muscle or part of the human body. The first thoracic segment deals with the dilation of pupils, and the first lumbar segment deals with the bladder and the secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine. So now this is the main anatomy behind this process. Information from the CNS, after it is processed by the brain, is sent from the spinal cord to preganglionic neurons for the sympathetic nervous system. These are myelinated, which means that the impulses travel faster. From ganglion, they are sent to unmyelinated postganglionic neuron, which are long, and then which trigger various functions. For example, the release of epinephrine, triggering the increase of heart rate, leading to increased oxygen circulation throughout the body, and ultimately the human is able to perform the fight or flight response, running away from danger, for example. So next time you have to go and perform up on stage and your palms get sweaty, your heart starts pounding, you get tunnel vision and you feel lightheaded, don't worry. There's absolutely nothing wrong with you. Almost everyone experiences this, and the ability to experience this fight or flight response has helped humans survive and thrive.